guys, I'm Giorgio. Today we got a recrafting video for you. Pretty cool one. Got a $75 Wolverine boot. We're gonna go over it. This was from the Burlington coat factory. Completely brand new. It's got the original sole, original heel. It's got really shoddy craftsmanship right around here. And we got a little glue spot right here. But overall, I mean, they look great. And for 75 bucks, what do you expect? So we're going to recraft these and give this a whole different look. That's what it looks like now. Go ahead and take some other shots just so you guys can see. So the first thing we got to do is remove this heel. Next, we got to take off all those threads. Next step is to take out all the threads. When I was a little boy, this was my only job. So that's why I could do it so fast. So you can see this has text on board, which is super cheap, very cheap. But again, this was only $75. I mean, what can you expect? Of course, these rands are made out of cardboard, but that's common in a lot of brands. So let's go ahead and change those too.
It's more than I can take, and that's the reason for the misery. What's the reason for your misery? The tears in your eyes are the curse of me. Chasing me now, it's a little too late. Go on down the road, 'cause more than I could take, and that's the reason for your misery.
So today, we're using the LaQuerci Dandy Tan soles. These are my favorite soles. They're pit tan just like the JR soles, but flexible. Very, very nice, long-lasting sole. Boy, I remember one of the first times using this machine, and I cut the welts. I cut the cords that's in the welts holding it together. My dad didn't get mad, but he says, "Don't worry, I'll fix it." Made my first shoe when I was 14 years old. It's pretty awesome, learning from your dad. So I'm actually a cord wainer, but I do cobbling. In fact, here's a pair of shoes I'm making now. Right, so I decided to put on these pretty cool older soles, the built right paratrooper type soles. And I think these are going to look really good on this. Let's just see what it's going to come out. All right, so we're done for the night. It's about 9 o'clock now. Time to go home, eat some dinner, come back in the morning and finish these up. Good morning. So now it's time to finish this up. All right, guys, there you have it. Looks great. Whole different profile.